Do you know what makes a true warrior different from someone who stays down? It's the courage to stand up, again and again, even when everything is against you. It's about facing your fears, your doubts, and your failures, and still moving forward. Life won't stop just because you've fallen. The world doesn't change because you feel defeated. You must get back up and fight with all you have. You felt the pain, and you've cried. They came from my hardest defeats. In those moments of failure, I discovered the strength to rise again. When I hit rock bottom, when I felt stuck, when I failed but still found a way to stand again, those are the moments that shaped who I am. It's not this of a crowd or on a grand stage. Real success is built in the quiet, lonely moments, early in the morning, when you push yourself to be better. It's in those hours of hard work, when no one is watching, that you grow stronger. Champions aren't made under the spotlight. They're made in the countless hours of practice, in the late nights of studying, in the determination to keep going, even when it's hard. That's why it's so important to know why you're doing this. What's your reason? You need to find that fire inside you, the reason that makes you get up when you're tired, that pushes you to train when you're exhausted, that drives you to study when you'd rather quit. Your reason will keep you going when you feel like giving up. When things aren't going your way and you're ready to quit, remember, that's often when things are about to change. Think back to the last time you failed. Remember how it felt. But that failure doesn't define you. What truly matters is what you do next. Will you stay down, or will you get back up and try again? It doesn't matter how many times you've fallen, or how heavy the weight of failure feels. What matters is that you stand up one more time and keep going. Because real change comes from trying, again and again. Life isn't about waiting for perfect conditions. It's about facing challenges with determination. It's about getting up when others stay down, moving forward when everything seems impossible, and finding strength when all seems lost. Yes, you will fall. Yes, you will struggle. Yes, you will face challenges that make you doubt yourself. But know this, you are stronger than you think. There is a deep strength within you, waiting to be discovered. So, what are you waiting for? Will you let the fear of failure hold you back? Will you let doubt keep you from reaching your potential? No. Stand up, dust yourself off, and move forward with even more determination. Because here's the truth, success isn't about talent, luck, or having everything go your way. It's about how hard you're willing to fight, how much you're willing to endure, and how much you're willing to sacrifice for your dreams. So, the next time you find yourself on the ground, feeling defeated, remember this, the only true defeat is giving up. As long as you keep fighting, as long as you keep trying, you're still moving toward your dreams. It's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up. So rise, warrior. Your battle isn't over yet. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.